So that sucked, but I can see exactly where these were, luckily. So I can set these back where they go. That sucked. It really sucked. Shoot. This one I'm going to put back on here. That's the only way to do that one. So that one's sketch. The rest of them are okay. Let's get this on there. All right. I didn't really think there'd be much resistance pulling that back off, but what you don't realize is this actually curves as it goes on the window, and these hold it there. So the problem is it was curved, and then I pulled it up and it went straight and kind of yanked on these. So, hey, let me mess it up so you don't. Like I said, I just have to throw that other one on the actual louvers, and then I'll set that side down last. Only because I don't know exactly where that one went, and I don't want to risk it. All right, guys, let's get this done. So, this is a little harder than I thought it would be about myself. And now we're just getting all these lined up. This one was off. It's not good. So these have to kind of go on first so it can flex down a little bit. I'm starting to realize. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Not as smooth as I thought it would be, but it's pretty damn smooth. All right. We're on. I'm just going to get these all started by hand. Oh, that one came off. There we go. All right, guys. I almost forgot the washers. So these, I think they're metal, which is, I hope they don't rust, but ooh, looks like someone took a bite out of that one. So these washers, I'm guessing they go on top. Every video I've seen, they go on top. I totally forgot to put these on before I started screwing these on. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put one on here. There we go. I don't know if these nuts are going to have enough bite with the washers, and the washers look stupid. You know what? We're leaving these off. They look terrible. We'll see what happens, but we're leaving them off. I really don't think they're necessary. There's no way this thing's moving. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Again, guys, you don't want to over tighten these. They're plastic. Whoever designed this, man, the freaking things are plastic and the nuts are metal. I don't understand. I might Loctite these on and just very lightly put them on. I'm barely using any torque at all. just want to get them all evenly put on here. I'm barely using any pressure. You can kind of hear this one's a little loose. Okay. That one's good. Yeah, I don't see any rattling happening. These are pretty good, guys. Oh, shoot. That one might be stripped. Oh, let's see what happens. You know what? I think I'm underestimating these a little because that got tight. I'm terrified of cracking these. Ooh, I see the problem. Okay, that was actually above the trunk. It's not good. Okay, that's why they were kind of tight and loose in weird spots. This might be an issue. This one might be over a little too far. I think it is. I may have to redo this one at some point if I get rattling out of this. All right, guys, so the only issue I'm having really is this one is a little loose to where it's basically, it's just gonna spin now. Not thrilled about that. So this nut is kind of chilling there. It's not really tightening all the way. I think what I'm gonna have to do is Loctite that one on once I know that it's on, and then I'm probably gonna end up having to replace it. Luckily they gave you a couple extras here. I think I've used most of the ones they gave me, but I have a couple extras here. But all in all, it looks great. There's no looseness. I really don't see how it could possibly rattle. I think it's good. The only thing I'm gonna do yet is just remove the tape. So let's do that now. Very happy. Very happy. I like the design of these. Definitely don't use the washers, or if you do get some black ones, I might even do that. That might help with the ones that are kind of just hanging out, because this one's not tightening, and I think maybe that washer would take up the slack. So we've got some options yet, some things that I might still do. That's it, guys. Coming at you from the garage. Thanks for sticking with me. I'm glad you can't feel how hot it is in here. You can probably tell just by the way I look, but definitely worth it. One more time, on eBay, these were i5 Auto House on eBay. i5 Auto House was the sticker, and I don't know who actually made these, but they didn't do bad at all. I really can't say enough good things, especially for the price, and I don't remember what the price was, but it was, I want to say it was under $200. So not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Hopefully I love them. If not, I can always take them off. Not a big deal. But I think it really makes that Camaro look angular, menacing, kind of the thing that the engineers had when they designed, or the designers had when they designed this beast from the factory. That's it, guys. Thanks again. Tune in next time. Who knows what kind of trouble I'm going to get into.